Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening according to the time you're watching this video, and welcome back to Colorado Graphics Design channel. In this video I'll be sharing with you guys how I create a 2D logo and mock it up into a 3D logo with the help of my smartphone. But before diving into the video, if you are a new viewer, please kindly click on the subscribe button and put on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload an amazing videos. And as for the returning viewers, thank you, I really appreciate. So just like I said earlier, I will be sharing with you guys how I create a 2D logo and mock it up into a 3D logo with the help of my smartphone, with the use of my smartphone. So just follow this video and learn how the process went. So first now we're going to shape. So we'll have to be changing the shape. So you just click on this to change the shape. You click on this where I point that line. So you click on that. So you can see we have as much as this shape that Pixellab contains. So I will click on the shape I want to use. So click on this, then reduce the size a little bit and change the color to black. So I will be changing the color to black. Then I will create the circle shape. So I will place this at the center. Then place this white circle shape on top at the center as well. You make sure it is both placed at the center so that you'll be having it well placed on each other. So I will just merge it together. So after merging it together, I will go to erase color. So just to erase off the white color. After erasing off the white color, I copy this to make it 2. So I will turn this around and place it here. I will just place it next to the second one. I will place it next to each other. So after I've done this, I will just go to my shape, then create a long then I will create a long shape, changing the color to red. After changing the color to red, I will have to make a curve here. So I will have to merge this red shape and the white one. I will merge it together. Then come to erase color to erase off the white color. So after erasing off the white color, I will copy this, then bring it to the second one. Then place it below this. Make sure it aligns together. So as you can see, if you can visualize this very well, I have just created a D and P logo. So I will merge all the shapes together now. So after merging it together, let us just reduce the size and place it at the center. So I will be creating the brand name now. Dolly P. The brand name is Dolly P. I will move the font to change the font to my wanted font. So the font we'll be using is Monsterant Black. This font is a Pixellab default font. You may not have it in your Pixellab app or your Pixellab Pro app, but it is available in the Pixellab YB app. So the name of the font is Monsterant Black. So let's just click on it. So we'll be increasing the size of the text, then place it below. Then I'll be changing the color of the text. So just like this, I'll create another text. Change the color to red. Then I will reduce the text size. Increase the spacing. Then make sure it is at the center as well. Placing it below Dolly P. So the brand name is Dolly P Wears and Accessories. So after creating the logo just like this, I will click on this. I will have to click on this where I am pointing the arrow. After clicking on that, I will click on transparent so as to save the logo as a transparent image. I'll click on transparent. So click on transparent, then save the image. Then I will be clicking on the save button. I'll click on the save button like this. Save as image. Then you save the image as image format as PNG and the quality as ultra. Then you click on save to gallery. Saving your project on Pixellab like this, you'll be having an high standard resolution image. So once we finish creating the logo like this, the next thing is I will be moving to our Chrome browser to mock it up. The name of the mockup site is photopea.com. I'll be putting the link in the video description, and as well you can check the comment section. The pinned comment in the comment section will contain the name of the site and the PSD and the link to download the PSD we'll be using in creating these 3D mockup logo. So the site. So we are now going to the site. Let's wait for the site to reload. Let me put on my data. Let's wait for the site to reload. So once you want to create your 3D mockup logo, you have to use either a PSD file from your computer, or you use a PSD file from your template, which provides you with a PSD file from a Photopea site. But in this video, I'll be using a PSD file from the computer. So you click on open from computer. Then we'll be having this no drop down menu. We have camera files nearby, so we'll click on files. After clicking on files, your folder opens up. So you locate wherever you have wherever you've downloaded the PSD file. So once you click on the PSD file, it uploads it to your Photopea site. So let's wait while the PSD is loading, while it is being uploaded into the Photopea site. So after the uploading, you will see it appears on the screen of your the Photopea. So all you just have to do is to click on this. You click on this where I just click on. So you click on that, you can see we have some menu here. We have drop down menu. So you have to click on logo. Once you click on logo once, you double click again. So you double click to have an editing interface. This is the editing interface. This is the template where we have to click on where we have to bring in the logo, save it as smart object, then before we can be having it as 3D mockup logo. So you just have to click on the this eye icon to make the existing logo, to make it invisible. So we click on the eye icon, then you can see there is no more any logo on this. So the next thing is I will be clicking on file. Once we click on file, we have this drop down and these drop downs. So you can see we have new, open, open and place, open more, share, save as smart object, and so on and so forth like that. So you just have to click on open and place. You click on open and place to bring in your logo. So you click on file, then click on the logo, then you click on the logo. Then after clicking on the logo, you have the logo loading like this. You click on the logo appears in the Photopea site. So you can see at the edges of the logo, you can see some point. So you have to increase the size of this logo using this point. So you have to increase the size. You make sure it is very big so that you'll be having a clear logo once you finish mocking up. And make sure you place it at the center. Once it is at the center like this, you have a red horizontal line and a red vertical line showing that the logo is now well placed. So after you've placed the logo very well, what you just have to do is to click on file, then you save it as smart object. You can see we have new, open and place, open more, share, save smart object, save as PSD, and so on and so forth like that. So you save it as smart object. You click on save smart object. To save it as smart object, let's wait while it is being saved as smart object. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow till I finally prove it. Never listen. So once the logo has been saved as smart object, what you just have to do is to click on the format template. The format template, you can see here we have the first one and we have the second one. So you click on the format template. You click on the format template to return to the old template where the mockup logo will be appearing. So you can see this is the logo now. You can see we have the logo now. Dolly P Wears and Accessories. You can see that the logo is now appearing on the screen. So after the logo has appeared like this, the next thing you'll be doing is that you'll be clicking on file. You click on file, then you save your project. You click on export as, then you click on PNG to export your project. Then you click on save. Then you click on OK to watch and have. You have to watch and have before you can save your project on Photopea. And before you can play this ad, you must have a good network connection, a good data connection to be able to play this ad. So you click on save. Okay. I think we are not having a good network connection. So that is just how you can. Once you have you click on save, the ads play. You have the ad play and your logo being downloaded into your gallery. So you have the logo saved into your phone. So that is just how you can create in 3D mockup logo using your Pixellab and your Photopea site. Thanks for watching, and please like, comment and share this video across to other graphics design friends who may also benefit from this video. Thanks for watching.